on how to book group or corporate travel with Wakanow. Step 1. Sign up for the corporate online booking tool. Go to Wakanow corporate booking tool sign up page and register your organization. This is a separate platform from the regular individual booking flow, built specifically for companies managing staff's travel. Step 2. Set up your travel policy and booking parameters. Once registered, configure customizable booking parameters within the tool so employee bookings automatically follow your company's travel policy. This could mean setting budget limits, preferred airlines, or approved hotel categories. Step 3. Let employees book within the platform. Staff can now search and book flights, hotels, and transportation through the centralized tool rather than booking individually, keeping every trip under one system tied to your organization's account. Step 4. Track expenses and itineraries in real time. Use the tool's real-time visibility into your travel expenses and comprehensive reporting option to monitor company spend as trips happen, rather than reconciling everything after the fact. Step 5. Monitor employee safety and get support when needed. The tools let you track and monitor employee travel itineraries so your organization can respond quickly if there's an emergency during a trip. Round the clock customer support is also available directly through the tool for any issues that comes up.